Hi, my name is Savannah Moore. I'm with the University of Georgia Extension with Glenn and McIntosh counties. And today I'm going to be talking to you about another green cleaning recipe. So this is a no streak cleaner. It's something that you would use on mirrors, on windows, anything like that. And it's super simple, it's super inexpensive. You might already have the ingredients in your own home right now, and it's a little bit more green. So the ingredients that you will need is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 1 quart of warm water. And all you'll do is combine these ingredients in a empty spray bottle and shake it up. So as you can see, it's super simple. And if you were to use washable rags instead of paper towels, that's another green tip, as well as something that's really frugal as well, because you can use them over and over again rather than having to buy more every time.